Okay, welcome. In this video tutorial I would like to show you how to lathe objects. I don't know how to pronounce. I must check something. I have to make sure I pronounce this English word. Lathe. Too late. I don't know. Too late objects. Okay. I know a couple of things how you can do this as quick as possible. Ctrl D. Because you do not have to draw curve from beginning. You could, but I do in quick way. Because I want to convert it. Set origin to geometry. Inside view, you will extrude each. You will extrude to shape of bottle. Y side profile, because vertices will not go somewhere else when you extrude them. When you try to extrude in proper way, they will not go to different position. You're supposed to have object like this because we will be converting to curve. This is what I did in my previous video. Curve from mesh. Now choose the option screw modifier. Ctrl A. And now we have extrude our object. I think I can still edit this as far I know. Because this is curve, you can still edit curve. When you select 2 points, you will be able to subdivide. Why you subdivide? Because you will have better control of the object here. Alt X, you will extrude inward. You can quickly modify your object. Wait, I didn't select 2 points. Curve segment subdivide. After doing this, you can convert your polygon object. But before that, check some other settings. No, you had better to convert this first. Apply. Aha, we cannot apply, we have to convert mesh from curve. Now check if you have, draw all edges is present. I didn't press N button. Now we have our beautiful shape. To do further settings, you can still click on that so you can fully see your subdivision surface modifier. Edge loops, Ctrl V, Ctrl F, make edge face, Ctrl A, crease, edge crease, but because this is bad, we have to fix it. Face is flat. No, it looks a little bit better. No, I should really apply. Okay, my dear friends, I will have to... you can use auto smooth. Works as well. Very good. I hope you like this video. See you in next video.